Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add 400 grams of elbow macaroni and cook according to package directions until it's al dente. Immediately drain the pasta and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. This also helps prevent sticking and cools it down quickly. Next, let's prepare that delicious creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of sugar for a touch of sweetness. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Now it's time to add some fresh crunch and combine everything. Finely dice 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful texture and mild bite. Also, chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Once your macaroni is completely cool, gently fold in the prepared vegetables and the creamy dressing until everything is well coated. For the best flavor, cover your macaroni salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with a little extra fresh parsley for a pop of color. It's perfect for picnics or potlucks. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.